Hi everybody, it's Keith Couch with Rocky Mountain Peterbilt's Rush Truck Center here in Greeley, Colorado. Finally getting in some inventory here. This one's not all blinged up and all fancied up and everything. It just got here, just got through PDI, pre-delivery inspection, and got her cleaned up. It's a pewter truck with black fenders. Good looking truck. Just a very nice, low-key, very classy look. 2021 Peterbilt 389 extended hood, 72-inch flat top. Beautiful truck. See if we can get a nice sunny day, so see if we can see the colors real well here. So we can do whatever you want to this one. This is something that interests you. Went ahead and got the nut covers on. You can paint that air tank. Got a master disconnect there, down in there. Medium depth tank, 110 gallon polished tank on the driver's side. Standard platinum interior, 72-inch flat top. So we got the heater controls up there, and then we also got the Esbar heater there, the bottom left. It's got a bunk heater. That's how you tell from the outside if it's got a bunk heater. That's your exhaust tube. Toolboxes, we can leave those on. We can take them off. We can put on a pusher axle if you like. 6 load lights. And we got to put the CB antenna on. I forgot to do that on PDI. That's the radio antenna you see, and then the CB antenna goes to the middle. Very nice, very clean look. No air horns. We put train horns on it underneath the cab. So it gives it a really clean look. We got our deck. Catwalk, I guess you call it. 36-inch air slide fifth wheel, Holland, FW35. Peterbilt low air leaf suspension. This one's got Goodyear Endurance LHDs. 285 75 R24.5s. So LoPro 24.5s. 280-inch wheelbase. I think we did lockers on this truck, but I'll check when we get inside. There's the disc brakes all the way around, and yes, we did do lockers right here. This guy tells you got lockers. That's what the airline is to it. So we do have full 3-way lockers on this. It's not something you see on a lot of these trucks. We're starting to pretty much carry them on all of them. LED rear taillights and reverse light. Got the level 1 polished wheels. Hodge-built 30-inch drop quarter fenders. Toolbox both sides. There's a train horn. You can see that in there. Extremely loud. 150 gallon tank on this side. It's all pre-wired. Everything's ready to go. You can see here for all our LED lights. So you can put on whatever you want. This truck, it may look better just doing all polished and just kind of a traditional look. Or you can paint them. You can do the down firing ones. Let's take a look under the hood. It's a Cummins X15. It's 565 horsepower. Take a look here. The hot side here. Just a really clean look, very traditional. This one has the air ride steer axle that we've been putting on. Doesn't add that much, and you'll double your wear out of your steer tires. So it pays for itself probably within the first 150,000 miles. Disc brakes up front. We do the dual leveling valves, and then you can tap into those if you want to set it down, kind of give it a little bit of a custom look. Anti-blow down, you got to flip that up before you can shut the hood. Let's see if I can. Sure if you can see that or not. Yep, 565 2050 torque. Got the DAVCO fuel filter, which I prefer, and it's heated. Remote lube. Once you get these trucks, and we try to pump a little bit more, just always make sure that sometimes we see them come in from the factory and it's just got grease in the line. The grease hasn't reached all the way to its destination. Air ride steer axle and disc brakes. Take you inside. Platinum interior, I believe, in this. All your manuals there. Nice Pete floor mats. Peterbilt Ultra Ride seats in black. Full gauges. Let's see if we can get this thing fired up. Get a little air in here. She's a little warm. We do a PTO switch here. A lot of guys like that. Really simple to wire up any kind of PTO that you might want to run. Air suspension dump. Here's your three-way lockers. And then this one up here is your fifth wheel slide. You can switch back and forth, see how much fuel you have in each tank. AM, FM, CD player, Bluetooth, factory CV. There's the look. Corn's getting tall over there. That's your little Bluetooth speaker, and obviously your air horn. So I'll take a look in the back here. Solid rear window. Got the business center. Doing paperwork, storing paperwork. That's real nice, real clean look. The other side's a closet for hanging things up. There's your control center back here and your alarm clock. Get your vents. And these are all the covers and everything to cover up the back window. And you can see we got the fold-away armrests there. So, just thought I'd give you a quick look. This one is available. It just arrived. And you can call me at 970-691-3877. It's Keith Couch with Rush Truck Center in Greeley, Colorado. Rocky Mountain Peterbilts on YouTube. I'll be glad to pick you up at the airport. We're about a 40-minute drive north of Denver International Airport. So she is available. I've got two other colors, and I just haven't gotten videos of those yet. But I've got a black cherry with purple fenders, and I can't remember what the other one is. I think it's white with red fenders. All three identical, just different paint. Same pricing, same everything. So just give me a shout, 970-691-3877, or you can email me at couchk, that's COUCHK, @rushenterprises.com. So stay safe, take care, and in the comments, just let me know where you guys are watching from. That's always really interesting to me, the reach of YouTube. I mean, it's just worldwide. Everybody from Bruce from New Zealand, all the way to guys from Russia, South Africa, England, Germany, Netherlands. I mean, it's Canada. It's just amazing. So thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. It's very humbling. You take care. Stay safe. See ya.